Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the virtual controller error that pops up when launching Skate on your Windows PC. If your game refuses to start or runs into this error right after launching, don't worry. This guide will walk you through every step to get you back in the game. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to close any controller or keyboard mapping software that might be running in the background. This includes programs like DS4 Windows, RWD, Joy2Key, Razer Synapse, or Corsair ICUE. You can find most of these in your taskbar. Just right-click on their icons and select Exit or Close. Once those are closed, the next step is to open Task Manager. You can do this easily by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Task Manager. Inside, look for any processes like daemon tools or other virtual controller services that might still be running. Right-click on them and choose End Task. This ensures those background drivers aren't interfering with your game. Now, we're going a bit deeper. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu again and selecting it from the list. In Device Manager, expand Storage Controllers and Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Here, you'll want to find any daemon tools or similar virtual drivers. Right-click each one and select Disable Device, then confirm by clicking Yes. This step helps remove any hidden virtual input conflicts that may be causing the error. Next, make sure to close other background apps that can interfere with controller detection. That includes the Auto Hotkey, anti-cheat tools like Faceit, Riot Vanguard, or the Riot Client, and even utilities like Logitech G Hub. These can sometimes hook into controller input and cause the game to throw that virtual controller error. If you've done all of that and the issue still isn't resolved, the final fix is to completely uninstall conflicting software like DS4 Windows or daemon tools. Once removed, restart your PC and try launching Skate again. The error should be gone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the virtual controller error on your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick gaming fixes, and let me know in the comments which game you got working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.